So I have this airsoft gun. Alex thinks that I found a pellet, but there's not a pellet in there.
What'd you do? Go take a picture of yourself. Didn't be like that. I don't even know where I am. And what do you tell her to the bags thing? Pete? Pete?
Dude, I told you you're gonna get shot if you don't shut up.
It's alright. I have protection. I don't trust you. I don't know if you really do or really don't. I'm just gonna act like you do so I don't get shot.
Well, I found one from the other night because I had a bunch in my pocket.
Well, why are you threatening me?
Because you're annoying me.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
I wouldn't be annoying you if I wasn't trapped in the corner.
Fine, come out.
What?
So fine,
No,
come out.
You're gonna shoot me over there. Now just take the bullet out and I'll trust you. No, dude, don't. Please don't shoot me. I didn't do anything. Oh, you're taking a video of this, aren't you?
No.
Are you? You are too.
No, I'm texting, dude. It's a lot easier to text sideways.
Now I'm gonna come close. Don't shoot me.
Get away from me.
Jeez, I'll go home if this is how it's gonna be. You were. Hello, time. You are taking video. Oh.